In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock your Crypto.com bonus using a referral code. Cryptocurrency trading and investing can seem daunting at first, but don't worry, we're going to walk through this process step by step. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to make the most of your Crypto.com account, this guide will help you navigate the app with ease. To get started, you'll want to open the Crypto.com app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find it on your App Store, and it allows you to securely buy, sell, and trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and over 400 other altcoins. Once you have the app opened, you will see the interface that includes information about your account and the market. When you're on the app's main screen, look for the three lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu, located in the upper corner. Clicking on this will reveal a list of options. What you want to do next is select Crypto Wallet. This is where you'll manage the various cryptocurrencies you hold. Now that you're in the wallet section, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. There should be an icon that resembles a cycle or refresh button. Click on this icon. It essentially allows you to initiate a conversion between different cryptocurrencies you own. At this point, if you wish to start the staking process, you need to convert some of your existing cryptocurrencies to CRO, which is Crypto.com's native token. Staking CRO is essential as it enables various benefits on the platform, including bonuses which you are aiming to unlock. Ensure you carefully determine how much you intend to convert based on your staking strategy and the rewards you're looking to get. Once you've completed your conversion, revisit your account settings. It's essential to ensure that the conversion has been recorded correctly. This double check gives you confidence that everything is tracked properly and reduces any possible errors. Now, look for the staking option. This is where you manage your staking activities, and by selecting it, you'll begin locking up your CRO tokens to earn rewards. With CRO, staking not only potentially earns you financial rewards, but also other perks such as better interest rates and bonuses within the app. And there you have it. Following these steps will unlock your bonus on Crypto.com using the referral code. Remember, as with any financial decision, especially with cryptocurrencies, it's important to review all the available information, understand the risks involved, and perhaps consult with a financial advisor if needed. Happy trading.